My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
There's another question. So the pictures that I loaded for him, they're just kind of loading in really slowly. Is that something that we can like play with, like with the sizing of the websites, or sorry, the sizing of the pictures?
Yeah, there's two things you can do for that. The first one is under his website, go to settings, and then right here, image optimization. All images use this in this funnel will be optimized for speed. Make sure that's turned on if it's not already. And then outside of that, you can use a image. You just go to Google and type in like image um, resizer, something like that. And then you can resize your images to like a more mobile friendly size. Like I can't remember. Let's check it out. What is the best megabyte size for website images? There's like a size that like you don't want to go over. Use images that are no larger than 100 kilobytes. So I don't, yeah, I typed in megabytes, but it's kilobytes for fastest loading times. So just you can type in like image resizer, image downgrader, or whatever, and just throw it in there. There's a lot of free ones on Google, and just make sure the images are no larger than 100 kilobytes, which it will downgrade the resolution slightly, but you can still like it'll be really still looking good and clear. So anyway, but yeah, that'll be, they're probably just like big files or big, large file sizes, I'd imagine is why they're loading slow.
Yeah, they are. It was like he had like a photo shoot with like a professional photographer.
Mm,
So like they were just using really, I mean, and I figured it would be best to keep those sizes. So I think when it asked to upload, I just kind of picked like into the small, medium, large. I just hit large. And that's probably why. But yeah,
yeah, they'll still look good. It's not like they're going to look grainy or anything, but you just downgrade the file size, they'll be good. They'll load a lot faster.
perfect.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.